You can also solve this question by the simple method. What you have to do there, just simply forgot the decimal point. Okay, leave this decimal point. Just multiply 0 with these all, so you will get 0 0 0 and cross 0 0 0 and 1, multiply by 1, so you will get 2416, and then add these all, so 0 0 6 1 4 2. So what, without looking at the decimal place, first multiply the number. Okay, first forgot there is no decimal and just simply multiply the two whole numbers, 2416 and 1000. So what you will get, you will get 241600. This is the second method. Thus normally we will solve by this method. So where the decimal place in the question, where 0.2416. So in the previous video I told you how to find decimal place. Where is the decimal point is placed? Where is the decimal point is placed? So in this question 0.2416, where is the decimal point is placed? So how to count? From the back or from the right to left. 1 2 3 and 4. So 4 places. So what decimal place in there? 0.2416 after 4 places. So what you have to do, you have to put the decimal point from the right to left after how many places? 4 places. So our question is what? 241600. So count the 4 places from the right to left. 1 2 3 and 4. So after 4 place, so where I have to put the decimal point? After 1 or after the 4. So our answer 24.16. I hope you understood this. This is a simple method. Now next, multiplier. Now see the multiplier 1.34 by 1000. So what is the multiplier here? Multiplier is 1000. So multiplier is 1000. Then count the number of zeros in the multiplier after 1. Count what you have to do, number of 0 in the multiplier. So multiplier is 1000. So how many zeros are 1000 multiplier having? 3. So move, what you have to do, you have to move the decimal point. How many places? 3 places. Move the decimal point 3 places to the right, in 1.34. So move the decimal point 1 place, 2 place. After 2 place we are not having any number. Look at here, because the number is 1.34. So what we will do, we will add a 0 here. So here I add the 0. Okay, so I moved it 1 place, 2 place and 3 place when I was moving. So I was not having the number. So what I did here, I return a 0. You can write the 0 in decimal point. So after 3 place, where the dot will come? After the 0. After this 0, the dot will come, the decimal point will come. So our answer is 1340.0, and we can remove this 0 at the last. So our answer is 1340. I hope you understood. You can solve by simply multiplication. So forgot this decimal point first. Forgot it. Now multiply 134 into 1000. So you will get 134 and 30. What? This is the second method. Second method to solve. So you get 13400 means 1,34,000 after multiplying 1000 in 1.34. So what? Now count the what you have to do in the second method, decimal place. You have to see the decimal place in the question after how many places? 1 and 2 places. So put the decimal point from the right, how many places? After 2 places. So 0 0 1 place, 2 place, and after 2 place you have to put the decimal point. So your answer is 1340. I hope you understood this question. Now move on to the next question. First F, that is 3.164 into 40. Now here the multiply is 40. So what you have to do here, you forgot the decimal point and just multiply this 40 with 3164. So what you will get by multiplying, you will get 12654. I think you know the table of 4. 4 4s are 16, carry over 1. 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 1 25, so I written 5 here. Now 2 is the carry. Now 4 1 ja 4 plus 2 6. Now no carry is there. 4 3s are 12. So you got 1 2 6 5 6. Now add these all. So you will get 1,26,560. Okay. Now what you have to do, write the number as it is. 12560. There is no point here. Okay. Let's suppose. So 126,560. So where is the decimal place in this? After how many places? After 1 2 3 places. So from the right we will count the decimal place from here. 1 place, 2 place and 3 place. So where we have to put the decimal point? After 5. From right. From the right, how many places? 1 2 and 3. So after 6 you put the decimal point. So your answer 126.56. I hope you understood this. Now see this question. 2.01 into 1100. Okay. So first I solve this by a simple method. What? Just forgot the decimal point in this step and multiply with 0. So you get 0 0 in this step 0 0. Now multiply with 1. So 201 201 and then add all. Now in 2.01 in 2.01, after how many places decimal point from the right? After 2 places, 1 place and 2 places. So in this we will put the decimal place. How many places? From here we will count 1 and 2. So where we have to put the decimal point? From the right after 0, after second 0. So our answer is 2211.00, or we can remove these 2 0 after the decimal point. So our answer is 2211. So I hope you understood this question. Now next question, third A, question number first G, 2.179 into 200. Now what I told you, we just forgot the decimal point and multiply the number. So 2179 into 200. So when we multiply by 0, so we will get that 0 and cross then 0. Now multiply the 2 with 9. 2 9s are 18, carry over 1. 2 9s are 14 plus 1 15, so I have written 5, carry over 1. Now 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, so I written 3. Now no carry. 2 2s are 4, so I written 4. Now add these all. So what you will get? You will get 4 3 5 8 0 0 0. Then from here 0, then 8 5 3 4. So you got 4,35,800. Now what you have to do? In your question there is a decimal point is given. So now we have to put the decimal point. Now how to decide where you have to place the decimal point? What you just see in the question, where is the decimal point is given. So after 3 places, 1 2 3. So after 3 places decimal point is given from the right, 3 places. So in our answer also we will put the decimal point after the 3 places counting from the right side. So we will start counting from here. There is no number, so 1 place, 2 place and 3 place. So after 3 place the decimal point will come where? After 8 from the right. So our answer 435.800. Now we can remove these 0. Okay, both the 0 we can also remove, or we can remove only single 0. So we will get the answer 435.80. Now move on to the next question, that is 16.17 into 90. Okay, so first forgot the decimal point and multiply 1617 into 90. So 1617 into 90 is equals to what? 1,45,530. When you multiply without taking the decimal, then you will get 1,45,530. Now you have to decide where you have to put the decimal point. So in our question, the decimal point after two places from the right. So in the answer also we will put the decimal point after two places. So start 1, 2. So where the decimal point we have to put? After the 3 from the right. So I put the decimal point after the 3 from the right side here. So 1455.30, or we can write 1455.3. We can remove this 0, or we can take the 0 also. So I hope you understood this first question of third A exercise. Now your homework, you have to solve these questions in your fair copy. These questions also in the fair copy, and whatever the questions in the PDF or in the video are there, that also you have to solve, and you have to solve these all the questions in the fair copy.